Welcome to our guide on how freelancers can get paid safely and avoid scams. In the world of freelancing, ensuring secure payments is crucial. Let's dive into essential strategies that will protect your hard-earned money. First, always use contracts. A solid contract outlines the scope of work, payment terms, and deadlines. This document is your safety net. Next, let's talk about invoices. Create clear professional invoices detailing your services, rates, and payment methods. This not only helps you get paid on time, but also establishes your professionalism. Now consider using escrow payments. Escrow services hold funds until both parties fulfill their obligations, ensuring security for both freelancers and clients. Popular payment platforms like PayPal, Payoneer, and Wise offer various features to safeguard your transactions. Research each platform to find the best fit for your needs. Upfront deposits are another effective strategy. Request a percentage of the total fee before starting work. This shows commitment from the client and secures your time investment. Milestone payments are also beneficial for larger projects. Break the work into phases and request payment upon completion of each phase. This keeps the project on track and ensures you are compensated for your efforts. Finally, be prepared for disputes. Always communicate openly with your clients and document everything. If issues arise, platforms like PayPal and Upwork have dispute resolution processes to help you. Remember, protecting yourself as a freelancer is about being proactive. Use contracts, clear invoices, secure payment methods, and maintain open communication. By following these tips, you can focus on your work without worrying about getting paid. Stay safe and happy freelancing,